Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include steering wheel controls, MP3, blind spot monitor, panoramic sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.